Operation Shield unfolding right here in Chandigarh. This is Sector 47's community center, and there you see this is where the mock drill is being currently carried out. Look at these ambulances, the police all working in tandem right here. Look at this, and this will not only show the sort of working in tandem between different agencies, and look at this. At this point of time, the supposed injured being taken, senior officers also coming at this point of time. So clearly this is in a bid to see what is really happening at this point of time. Clearly what we're trying to show you is the agencies all working in tandem with each other. This is under Section 19 of Civil Defence Act 1968, and thereafter what we're trying to show you right now is the preparedness on ground, and this is where ambulances taking, and this is also noting down the response time. And remember, Operation Sindoor was significant, but it is also that since 1971 we did not really see much of drills taking place, and it was noted that particularly Punjab and Haryana and Chandigarh, all close to the western borders, this is where the police out here, and what we're trying to show you here is the drill being exercised. But clearly look at this measure taking place, even for a mock drill, media not being allowed. But what we'll try and show you is that as far as Haryana, Punjab are concerned, these are border states, so is Chandigarh, vital military installation, sensitive installation, and that is why it's essential that the western border is seeing this kind of a drill taking place. And this is where ambulances, and clearly what is being seen out here is the preparedness. And remember, border states, and especially Prime Minister talking whether there is a pause in Operation Sindoor. It's not over yet, and that is why what we're seeing is mock drill taking place, which includes air raids. It included the Swan drones, what we saw even during Operation Sindoor. This is where what we're going to see is a blackout in Chandigarh as well as in states of Haryana and Punjab. But clearly everybody working together, that in case of an attack, what is the sort of response mechanism which is going to be taking place. And this is where this is the emergency team all working together. Remember, the civil defense includes the police, the civil administration, the ambulances. The civil defense is also inclusive of the NDRF. And now these ambulances are going to leave in some time from now. With camera person Chandi, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu in Chandigarh for India Today.